When I say Kerala, what comes to your mind? Is it the greenery? Is it the coconut trees? Is it the backwaters? For me, though, it's the food. And by food, I don't mean idli and dosa. I mean parotas and appams and parampuris. And of course, the sadhya. Hi, I'm Vaishali. I'm a Malayali born and raised in Mumbai. वैसे तो मैं मुंबई का हूँ, but if you've met a Malayali, it doesn't really matter where you're born. Whether Mumbai or Meghalaya, we are really proud of our culture. Today, on this episode of State on a Plate, we're here at the Coconut Kitchen with Sanju Chechi, and we are gonna vibe on our common love for Kerala and Kerala food. Look at the food that we have here. It's a massive sadhya. Now, since we are talking about Kerala, I've been, waiting to ask this main question, which is the main question which is related to our existence. We can't stop ourselves from asking this question. Is Chechi Natal Evadiya?
First, you should ask Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Natal Alapura.
Alapura? I'm Anapura. I mean, my surname is Anapura, guys. I'm from Thrissur.
Okay.
We are going to have the perfect sadhya now. Tell me, how do we start?
Start with the salt.
With the salt? What do you
Yes.
mean? कहाँ पे salt जाएगा? I actually don't know this.
For sadhya, so we are giving salt first
हाँ.
because वो taste को थोड़ा balance करने के लिए,
हाँ.
so we are using the salt.
So I directly eat it?
No. So you can eat it. So you can add with the dal and also we are adding now. So you can add with that one.
Okay.
This one is banana chips.
Upperi. This is the upperi.
This one is sharkara varati.
Sharkara varti.
And then this one is lemon dates pickle. Inji puli.
Injimbali, yes.
Beetroot pachadi. This one is pineapple pachadi.
I have no self-control at this point. I just want to start. That's what we usually do, na? Like if it's like a proper community sadhya, like one by one people come and serve, and then we just start eating. We just start eating one by one.
Okay, so then we will go for the avial thoran. This is kootu curry.
And all of this like has coconut as the
Yeah.
main
Yes,
base,
yes.
right?
My restaurant name also coconut,
Coconut
and I'm
kitchen.
using full coconut. So then we will go for the rice.
Rice.
This is mata rice.
Mata rice.
See,
So-
you can keep 3 holes.
3 holes?
Yes.
Oh my god, I thought there was only 1 hole. 3 holes like this.
Yeah. So first you have to have this dal, paripu curry.
Paripu curry? Okay.
With the ghee.
Paripu curry with the ghee.
Yes. Just crush the papa.
With papda?
No, don't like
No?
that. Keep it like this.
Oh no!
Disgusting.
Oh my god, yes! I'm fake Malayali, guys. This is all of the things that I actually want to learn. Like I'm from Kerala, but born and raised in Mumbai. So like all of the details of actually what it is to be a Malayali, utna meko nahi pata hai. But very proud to be one. If you ask me what I want to be every janam, I want to be a Malayali every janam. I don't want to be anything else. Okay, first bite. I can't stop now. It is so good. It's like the authenticity of it. I actually wanted to know, were you born and raised in Mumbai?
I'm based in Alapura.
How long ago did you move to Mumbai?
Around 12 years.
So you're kind of a Mumbai person only.
Yes.
Like, what was your first impression of Mumbai?
No, it's only, first of all, I came here, so I eat vada pav.
Vada pav, that is the first impression of Mumbai. Vada pav, that's it. Did you like vada pav?
No.
No?
But now I like it.
Now you like it? Oh my god, what? Too much aloo.
Yes,
And aloo is not like a big thing in Kerala food, right? So it's like a lot of aloo in the first go. And pav.
Yes.
We don't have pav. Our pav is rice. That's what we need.
Yes.
So how did you like end up owning a restaurant?
This is not in my plan. Okay, so after my marriage, so I quit my job. So delivery के बाद में job छोड़ दिया. सो घर पे बैठ के हस्बैंड को इसे परफेक्ट वाइफ बेस में खाना बना के दे रहे, सो ही लाइक्स माय फूड.
So like people who are looking for authentic Kerala food,
बहुत जगह घूमती हूँ सो खाना खाने के लिए, सो आई डिडंट गेट दैट authentic flavor, so that's why we thought we can also start so some homely food. So I don't want this restaurant name. It's a kitchen. That's why it's the kitchen. It's a homely feel. So I need to give to my customers a homely feel.
you know guys, like if you search for the Coconut Kitchen on Google, you will see there's a bracket जहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है that it's a Kerala restaurant, and this is kind of very important because people just generalize South Indian food as like idli, dosa, or it's not very specific, right?
Yes,
कि सबको
yes.
पता नहीं है कि exactly different states में different kind of food
Kind of
मिलता
food
है.
is-
Bangalorean is different, Telugu is different. Those like those kind of things. I can tell like the flavors and all. Growing up, Kerala food I've only had at home, right? Or else if I've gone to my hometown in Kerala, we just eat there. There was no culture of a Kerala restaurant and specific food like this. But the first time I ate outside, I was kind of disappointed. Like ये तो फ्लेवर है ही नहीं केरला का, ये तो
Yes.
बहुत ही जनरल फ्लेवर है. Slightly it will be there which you can pick up as a Malayali. But this is authentic Kerala food, like the
Like homely feel.
homely food, like the coconut oil. That is the main
thing.
You do not put groundnut oil in Kerala food. You put coconut oil in Kerala food.
Yes.
What about the food that you cook here is so authentic to Kerala?
So most of the items we are using the coconut oil and the grated coconut we are using. So initially I started cooking. So with 2-3 ladies I hired for this one. So I trained them. गाइड करके देती हूँ, सो कैसे प्रिपेयर करने का है वो सब. सो उसकी वजह से सो वी विल गेट द ऑथेंटिक taste. So they also trained from me. So I don't want to change the taste. वो मेरा तरीका से खाना सबको देने का है. So how I prepared, तो वैसे ही सबको देने का. So daily मैं उनको साथ में रहेगा, कुकिंग का टाइम में पूरा रहेगा. So they are preparing. तो टेस्ट करती हूँ उसमें क्या कम है क्या ज्यादा है, सो आई कैन बैलेंस एवरीथिंग.
So you taste every dish that is there over here.
Yes, yes.
That it has to be perfect.
Yes, we can try.
That is amazing.
For sadhya, we are using the coconut, grated coconut, and only that coconut oil. And the paisam, and also we are using that adapradam, and in that also we are using the coconut milk. So most of the items we are using the coconut.
So a lot of
For this-
coconut.
yes, lots of coconut.
What do you think of people using groundnut oil in Kerala?
It depends on their taste. सबका अलग अलग एक टेस्ट होता है. So Kerala वाला people, so they like the coconut oil only. So अभी मेरे को तो ये सब अलग कुछ oil का देगा तो so I can't eat.
You don't enjoy any
No,
other oil?
no.
All of your dishes have to be in coconut
Yes,
oil.
yes. Coconut and sunflower oil is we'll use,
Sunflower oil.
but so main thing is we use the coconut oil.
Like sadhyas have become like very popular in Mumbai. Like a lot of people are doing sadhya.
Yes.
Even people who don't serve South Indian food are also doing sadhyas.
Sadhya, yeah.
What is the most bizarre thing that you've seen as an item in a sadhya?
Actually, Kerala में भी क्या है वो actually from my side, so we are using that only veg.
Your side मतलब?
Alapi side.
Alapi.
And Trivandrum also they are using the pure veg items. But Kannur and also they are using, so they need the non-veg item in the sadhya.
Yes.
So that I can't accept. But only for the Onam day, so it's pure veg. It's very feel happy.
This non-veg sadhya is like a trend, right?
Yes,
Not
yes.
authentic.
Not authentic.
For the people who don't know, can you tell us what is Onam?
Onam is actually the family all together. So they will prepare the Onam Sadhya and we will do the Pukalam. सब बच्चे लोग सुबह सुबह उठ के जाते हो. So they will collect the flowers from everywhere. मेरा childhood में, so we are going with my sisters, cousin sisters. So we all go together and we'll collect the दूसरा घर पे जाके, so we'll pluck the
Flowers and all,
flowers
yeah.
so we'll make the pukalam. It's like a rangoli, so you will do the rangoli. So
Yeah.
you all are using that powder,
Colour powder, yeah,
color
yeah.
powder. So in that we are using that fresh flower.
Correct.
That is pukalam.
So sambar is like a controversial thing in
Yeah.
Mumbai because which is the right sambar? Because if you go to a restaurant in Mumbai, the sambar is sweet there,
Yes, yes.
which I do not agree with. But what is the difference? Tell us what is the difference between that sambar and
that I also don't know how it comes sweet. So we are not adding any sweet kind
Okay.
of thing. So we are adding some that hing, no, that
Yeah.
so that tastes some different, and sambar powder.
Also, the other sambar that we eat is also very thin and watery, and this one particularly is thick.
Yeah,
right?
so we are adding that dal and all. So
Mhm.
dal, potato, so everything is adding together, no?
Yeah.
So we'll get that thickness and all.
A lot of vegetables.
Yes, lots of vegetables we are adding.
Kadhi patta is also a very huge thing that we have a lot of kadhi
So we'll put the tadka, no? So in that we are adding the red chilies,
Mm.
small onion, sambar onion,
Mm.
and this kadhi patta and all for the tadka.
Yeah.
You all called the sambar onion.
Yeah.
So that we
Yeah.
use that ulli.
Ulli, cherry ulli.
Cherry ulli.
Yes.
Yeah.
This sambar is unlike the Shetty sambar, okay? Like that is sweet and you have it with the other coconut chutney with idli and dosa and everything. But this is purely made for rice, at least for me. Like I know many people also enjoy it with idli and dosa and everything, but I love having this with rice and papadam and even some achar.
So
Like
along with
different-
this, you can try the pickle and all. So this one is lemon
Lemon
dates
pickle?
pickle. Yeah.
Do you make the pickle here?
Yes, yes. This one is for our Talasheri biryani. So my most running item is Talasheri chicken biryani and mutton biryani and all. So this one is for that biryani.
What is the Talasheri biryani? How is it like different?
So we are
from-
using some kind of rice. It's called kaima.
Kaima,
It's a small rice. It's very flavorful. And so we are in a dum karke, so we are preparing all these things, and masalas for the biryani masala and all we are preparing here. It's very flavorful actually. So
The rice in itself is
yes,
flavorful.
so we can feel that once it's before cooking also we can feel that rice, that smell. तो उसकी वजह से मतलब rice अच्छा है क्या वो मालूम पड़ेगा. So we can use for the biryani and all.
And this rice that we're eating is also a different kind of rice.
Yes, so this is called the matta rice. It's a boiled rice.
And this rice is not like for the faint-hearted, by the way. This is like huge. If you see it, one grain is like 2-3 grains milake. The basmati rice ka agar if we talk about in comparison. But we still eat a lot of it, by the way. It's not like because it's big and all we eat little. We are heavy rice eaters,
Yes,
right?
yes. कुछ भी खाना खा के so we will after everything so we feel थोड़ा राइस मिलेगा उसके साथ में so कर्ड करी और तो उसके साथ में खाएगा तो our meal is complete.
Yes.
One day is complete.
Yes. Curd is also very big
yes,
for us.
yes. So I like मम्मी का हाथ वाला खाने में so I like curd curry, fish curry and one toran. That's for me.
Even people also say that you should not have curd with fish curry and all, but we to
हाँ yes really.
and we have to mix all of it together. Like what like people say that it's not very aesthetic and all, but the fun of eating
Yes,
as a
yes.
South Indian, as a Kerala person, is to mix like everything
Everything
you take,
together.
everything little, and you just eat.
So you can mix together to take this inji curry. For every bite, so you can take one item. So this one beetroot pachadi and take one bite, and pineapple pachadi so you can take bite. So you will feel that taste. एक चीज का flavor मिलेगा. So in that one item is missing. That is called olen.
Olen, what is olen?
Chauli, no? So chauli
right,
से बनाता है.
right.
So we are also using that coconut milk in that also. White pumpkin and chauli. Both there is no taste for that. This one is inji curry. So after that, so we can balance the taste. So we can take that olen. So there is no salt. Nothing will be there in the olen. So we can taste that olen. Then go for the pachadi. Then take that olen.
So it's like a
taste
palate
balance.
cleanser.
Yeah, yes.
I did not know that. Like as a Malayali only, I did not know this.
So you missed that one. So
Yeah. But that is so cool. Like it makes sense, right? Like I've heard a lot of my friends also sometimes they say that this is a lot of flavors together. How do you identify what is different or whatever?
Yes.
But I can taste it. Like right now, I mixed the beetroot thing and the injumpuli and the lemon and everything, and I can taste all of the flavors.
Yes. In Sadhya, so you will get the sour, tangy, creamy, spicy.
Mm.
So light sweet items are also is there. So everything is included in this Sadhya.
Basically, if you have sadhya in your life, you don't need anything else.
Yes.
A little bit of fish fry will also do.
Non.
When you started the restaurant, what are the things that Mumbaikars actually like?
अभी तो मुंबईकर्स को भी मेरा तलश्शेरी चिकन बिरयानी is very famous here, so they will pronounce तलश्शेरी chicken biryani.
The pronunciation.
Yes, but I feel so proud, so I can replicate here, so that biryani and all, so I feel so proud, and they all like my biryani.
Yeah. Like you get to represent our culture
Yes.
here. Has somebody ever disliked your food? Like
That
Is it-
everyone tastes, but it's different. So we can that assure. So you will not get the five rating in
Correct.
in this hotel fare. So you will not get. So everyone doesn't like that taste and all
what
that.
is the weirdest reaction like to your food? कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि अरे ये टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है ऐसा कुछ?
Generally ऐसे नहीं बोलती हो ना customer. They will go there and Google it. It's the
Oh no,
restaurant.
you had like bad Google reviews. That is not possible. I feel like this food is amazing and I love it. It's authentic. Who are these people who are giving bad reviews?
कितना लोगों को आपको मेरा खाना पसंद है, so I am ready to serve for them only. So पसंद नहीं है तो क्या करेगा? So we can't do anything.
So you don't think about the haters.
No.
So it's okay.
It's okay. Their problems. What can I do?
So here I see like a lot of items, right? Different items. How many items are supposed to be there?
Actually, in Kerala, there is some place called Aramula.
Aramula.
That Aramula Vella Sadhya, it's very famous there. So they are giving around 64 items.
64 items in
In
a
the
sadhya.
sadhya.
How does it fit? How big is the banana leaf
Yeah.
to get that 64 items?
But I am preparing only 22 items.
22 is a lot, by the way.
Yeah.
People eat dal, chawal, sabzi, roti. That is the staple that people eat.
Yes.
So this is still like 22 items is a lot.
Yes.
And it's not like कि सब same है. Every item is different. It's unlike each other. Like a sambar is a curry. This is like a dry item. We have cabbage which is cut so finely. We have chana in it and different flavors. So each preparation has nothing to do with each other. So much effort that goes into making a sadhya, right? What is your favorite dish out of all of these?
I like that pineapple pachadi.
Pineapple pachadi. I have to taste that. Which one is this?
This one.
What should I pair it with? Like pineapple pachadi के साथ क्या add करूँ?
So just have it.
Just have it first.
Sweet.
Mmm, that's sweet. It's so good. Like that is a surprise. Like I just had the sambar, which is like khatta and slightly spicy, and this is suddenly a sweet. We need that palate cleanser here. That would be nice now to go to the next one. Do you think Kerala is primarily vegetarian?
No.
Are you vegetarian?
No.
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 What is one of your favorite non-vegetarian dish?
So I like that talasheri biryani.
Mm.
So I like that flavor and all. And so I told you, so for rice, मेरे को rice, curd curry and fish items. तो उसके साथ में खाएगा तो we feel अभी पढ़ाई करने के लिए so we I am in Hyderabad. So छुट्टी मिलेगा so we feel जल्दी घर पे जाने का या मम्मी को कॉल करके बोला so मम्मी prepare that every items whatever items I like वो prepare करके रखो so मैं आ रहे घर पे क्यों जा रहे so somebody asked me why you are going to Kerala only for khana.
Food. I told you, food is everything for us.
Yes, yes.
But not just food. Alcohol is also something that people say we are popular
I
for.
don't like
You do not, but our state is also known a little bit to be on the drunker side sometimes. which fish do you like? What is
But
the most popular
in
one?
Alappis, there is called one fish, karimeen.
Karimeen,
So
yes.
everyone asked me, the karimeen polichar, is it available here? So I couldn't find here. So that very difficult to वो उधर से इधर तक लेकर आने का वो सब नहीं हो रहा है. But karimeen polichar, it's very famous in our area. But in Kottayam side, they will prepare the fish curry that molagittadu. That spicy one. So we then coconut fish curry also there. Fish में तो बहुत सारा varieties है. तो
this polichada is very famous, right?
yes, so that banana leaf, उसका एक अलग मसाला preparation है. So we'll wrap it in the banana leaf and वो stay करती हो ना. So we'll feel that banana leaf का भी वो flavor. You will get it that fish खाने के time. So you'll get that banana leaf का भी वो flavor मिलेगा.
Yum. Everybody here is hungry right now. The preparation of veg and non-veg food is different, right?
हाँ, yes.
How is it different?
Non-veg we are adding lots of masala. So this one it's very light. तो कुछ भी masala, so we don't adding any masalas here.
Yeah.
So only that we are using that coconut and so in that inji curry, so we are again adrak, ginger, tamarind, good that jaggery, that flavor of this one, and this one is curd and coconut, and pineapple also curd and coconut, and this avial and also it's only that
Very
coconut.
little masala
Yes,
is there.
no, not very little. So we are not adding any masalas.
Correct.
Here.
But there's no masala. Like in my head, though, I have to put masala to add flavor, right? But what Natasha here thinks is that ki Malayali food, we do not hero the ingredient, we only hero the masalas. But look at
I'm a Christian, so Christmas ka time hai, so we using that all the chicken, non-veg items or fish ka items. So we are using lots of masala items. But the Onam's time, so we only having that without masala items. So we are using for that. Especially Kerala mein kidhar bhi hai. So Hindu, Muslim or Christian, everybody is celebrating Onam.
Yes, and it brings people together.
Yes.
There's unity in like that diversity, like, and we coexist very nicely. Like I've never felt any disturbances or anything in that aspect as well. Like very proud like that. In that. Like since like before you moved to Mumbai, like how did your day in Kerala look like? Like how was breakfast? How was dinner? How was lunch?
So we are mostly puttu and kadala and
Yes.
appam and stew, veg kurma. That all we are normally घर पे वो सब prepare करती हो. Palaharam, that means snacks.
Oh,
That is in 4 o'clock. It will take. Check करते हो 4 o'clock. मम्मी परम्बरी.
Parampuri! Oh my god, I love Parampuri. I love Parampuri so much. For people who don't know Parampuri,
banana is nendren. It's called nendren. वो banana का slice करके, so we'll dip it in the maida and also उसके fry करती हो.
is it maida? I always thought it is besan. It's no, it's maida.
That I don't know. So I am using maida.
Okay. No problem. It still tastes amazing. It's a different kind of banana as well that we
that
have in
nendren. It's called nendren.
Nendran, yes.
Yeah.
Nendraparam.
Nendraparam.
Yes. It's very different from this banana, right?
yes.
This is the chotu, like as compared to the Nendran banana.
Lunch तो so we'll use the non-veg lunch only. उसमें क्या fish. Main item is fish. So I'm from Alappuzha, so we'll get the lots of fish there. So fish curry, fry, and this mori curry. My favorite is this one, so that's why I'm mori curry, So toren, so one toren will be there, and who हमारा lunch का time was mainly वो सब items.
Chammandi is also big, right?
Yes.
Chammandi is chutney, guys. Chutney
Yes.
is also a big thing
Yes.
that we need to have on the side. We need sides.
Yeah, yes.
वो भी है. So, like apart from this injimpuli and
These
lemon,
things and also mainly we are preparing only for the Onam time.
yeah.
घर पे मम्मी लोग तो इतना मेहनत नहीं करेगा daily for the inji curry and pachadi. So it's very easy to make it chutney. So put some coconut एंड वो ग्रेटेड कोकोनट यूज करते हो, उसमें टैमरिन का यूज करते हो, एंड वी विल गेट दैट मैंगो रॉ मैंगो
Raw mango.
सो उसका भी चटनी होना, तो इट्स वेरी इजी थिंग्स टू मेक इट नो, सो
Easy but yummy.
यम्मी या
Can I get one more papadam?
राहुल
Papadam.
पापड़ लेकर आ जाओ ना, दो
Food पहले. Like usually the papads that go around here are like the legit papads that we have. But this is like a different papadam.
so I will keep this one, so पायसम के साथ में so we'll eat with the pap.
Yes. We'll call for more.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's do the right way. Okay, we'll just place it and we'll
मैं मेरा खाना खा के अरे वाह
self-love is the best love.
Yes,
You
yes,
have to. So apart from the sadhya being on the banana leaf, we also have podichur. Like you say.
पोदिचूरू मतलब स्कूल में जाने के टाइम में so we use that tiffin, so you all are using tiffin, so हमारा उधर क्या है, so we'll get the banana leaf, तो उसमें राइस डालती हो, all the curries and all, and एग का एक मोटा
Motta, yes.
Motta podichuru.
Motta podichuru is egg.
yes. So, मुंबई आके भी so we'll feel that वो थोड़ा एक पोदिचोरू मिलेगा तो अच्छा लगता है, so I start that पोदिचोरू also, so you will get the veg पोदिचोरू, fish पोदिचोरू and chicken पोदिचोरू is here. Most of the customers they like that पोदिचोरू also.
Podichur is like like an assembly of all of these things together.
हाँ, we will wrap it in the banana leaf. गरम करती हूँ, so you will get that banana leaf का एक flavor होता है ना, so you will get that in the rice, so that all meals you will get that smell also.
It's also used for travels.
Kerala से मुंबई आएगा, so we'll keep it one podichoro in the bag.
So like how people use steel dabbas and plastic dabbas and everything, like we have figured out a way to just use banana leaf.
That easy to carry, and also after this one also you don't want to wash that tiffin, and also you can have this one, you can throw it there. No?
It's eco-friendly also.
Yes,
biodegradable. And also healthy. I've also heard
Yes,
that this
yes.
has like scientific benefits.
Yes,
right?
yes.
Sadhyas are also very big in our weddings.
Hindu wedding they are giving the sadhya and all.
Christian weddings, it's
Like-
not there in Christian
No,
weddings.
Christians only for the non-veg. So Hindu wedding में जाए तो ठीक है, so we'll go for the sadhya, and Christian weddings for the only for the non-veg items. So you will get the appams, stew, cutlet, and all every items you will get. And the Muslim wedding is so for the biryani.
Biryani, yes. What about parota? Parota is very big in our
Hi.
culture.
That's our outing food.
Yes.
गाँव
Junk
जाके-
food.
Junk food. So cafe जाएगा, that we'll eat paratha and all.
You know, there was this reel that somebody sent where they said that Malayali men are the most handsome men in India or in the world right now. What do you think about that?
I don't know how He doesn't care
No,
about this.
no.
This one. कुछ भी पहनो ठीक है, अच्छा है.
But apart from Malayali men, look at you. Like you are wearing this amazing Kerala sari. Because you're so pretty. Is it from Kerala? Did you get it from Kerala?
हाँ, yes.
Yeah.
Mhm.
What are the different kinds of saris that we have?
No, this Kasavu sari. This is called the
Kasavu
Kasavu
sari.
sari. So
Yeah.
set to sari and set to sari also. So we'll normally using for the ambalathil pogole. So Hindu
Temple, to go to the temple.
purpose. So they will wear the this sari. वो देखे तो so we'll feel some freshness.
Yes.
So it's very good actually.
Mhm.
But we all are. I'm a Christian, so we all are normally using for the Onam time only.
Mhm. But Kasuva is like a big thing.
Huh.
It's also there in the Mundu.
Mundu Kasavu and this sari. You know.
And like, how have we not spoken about gold yet? Like, we are so South Indians are so big on gold.
But now we stop that gold and we are start using this kind of
I
stuff.
mean, I'm kind of against it, but like, it still looks pretty.
Yes.
But you should see like a bride. Like the first time I, as a kid, saw a Kerala bride, I was like, "Kidhar hai bride?" Because she was fully covered in like gold, like the bindi, and from here, like up until the neck.
But now the generation that change. They don't like that gold and all. This is
Minimalist. Yeah, that's good. Most of India has like idli and dosa and appams with chutneys or with sambar. We like in South India and even in Kerala, we also have it with non-veg.
Yes, yes. Appam and stew and also our breakfast time. So we are using that.
Yeah, with dosa we can also have
Chicken curry.
chicken curry, right? What are some of the things that you love about Kerala? Like, just tell me like 4 things that you love about Kerala.
First one is food.
Food is first. Always.
Like food. I'm from Alapi, so backwaters.
Backwaters, yes.
Settumundu.
Settumundu.
It's sari and all, so we feel different.
Yes.
वो थोड़ा सुबह उठ के नहा के so मुल्लपू.
Mullapu.
I didn't get that
is
one
a
today.
flower,
That's
yeah. It's a gajra. Gajra.
Gajra. Set sari so we'll use that one also. शादी अटेंड करना.
शादी अटेंड करना, वहां पे क्या करेंगे? खाना खाएंगे. शादी किसको देखना है? We are there for the food. The first time I also went for a wedding was my uncle's wedding, and I went there like I was a kid. Only veg food was there. I was like, where is non-veg food? Then there was a reception and we had like parota, patiri and chicken roast and all of those things. Like, how are some of the ways that Kerala is different from Mumbai?
That very different. Vada pav and puttu kadala.
Puttu kadala. Vada pav versus puttu kadala.
Yes, yes. Street food, padampuri, paripu vada, ulli vada, that and also we will get for the snacks item.
So, what is the next thing that we should have? We've had the parippu, we've had the sambar, the kuttu curry. What is next?
So you can go with the moru curry.
More curry?
वो कर्ड का ही होता है. So you prepared with the curd.
More in Hindi is peacock.
Ah. Oh,
Even chor for that matter, Hindi mein is thief. There's, did you face like language barrier when you moved to?
Yes.
Yeah. We still learn Hindi in Kerala, but speaking wise, we're still.
No, I'm second language Malayalam.
Second language. Also, like the thing that we'll do in the end is paisam. So, Kerala ka desserts, what are the different kinds of desserts that we have?
So we have actually lots of paisam, type of paisam. This is Adapradaman, that is palada. That Adapradaman also prepared with the rice flour ka usme ek ada जैसा बनाते हो. So in this one we are adding that coconut milk and jaggery. That one is milk.
Just milk?
Yeah, yes.
It's like kheer then.
Yeah, it's like a kheer.
And this is more thicker version of it.
Yes.
What all goes in this?
It's coconut milk and cashew, kismis, and coconut. Not the grated coconut. The fried coconut also is there.
Lot of coconut.
Yes, lots of coconut. So if you finish this one, so just take the rice side mein rakho. So you can have this paisam with papad and the banana.
Ooh, I have never done this before.
Okay, so you can try
Genuinely never done this before. I'm excited to try. Okay.
Yeah, you can try this one. So you can pour it to the banana leaf.
Okay.
Just press your papad with the paisam.
Press it.
Yes. Open this banana.
And now mix it?
Yeah.
This feels so wrong. Like, I know it's a Malayali thing, but I have never done this before.
Okay, you can try.
Exploring my own culture. There is papad, banana, and paisam in this.
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Why have I never done this before? It feels so wrong, but it's so right. I mean, papad with paisam, like dessert ke saath papad. Who would have thought? We thought. And I'm so proud because this is actually good. Like, it looks like it's not aesthetic, but not every good thing in life is aesthetic. You have papad, paisam, and banana. And this is what you get. Heaven.
After finish this, you can have that palada paisam. Normally in Kerala, they will have with that boli. Like like a puran poli. So we have one more item. So उसके बाद उसके साथ में ये pour करके so you can have that one. So now we don't have that one.
So I just drink it.
हाँ,
directly?
yes, you can do.
What all does इसमें सिर्फ milk है?
Yes.
Oh, no flavors. It's not just milk. So, sugar.
हाँ, yes.
Sugar and is it rice?
नहीं, उसमें भी है एक है. So this ada है ना. So that
What is ada?
वो rice powder से बनाते हो. Yeah, that one.
So this is
more
ada.
than ada.
That
So
also
that
has
is
a-
this one also ada.
It's like crumbs of jelly-like thing.
हाँ, yes. So if you feel lots of sweetness, you can have that inji curry.
No, but I was gonna say this is very light. Like I'm not very sweet heavy.
Okay.
It was very light. But the milk is very light, and the jelly-like rice thing is also very nice. But I like this more. This new combination that I have discovered with you. I'm going to remember to do this. Papad, like the savory and the sweet wala flavor. I genuinely like this.
No, before that one, so just have the rice and with rasam. So that
In
you will,
the end, again.
Yes. So that rasam, so we'll add that all the spices, no? So jeera, black pepper, and hing, that mirchi powder. So everything is in this. So you'll get stomach thoda
Oh, is it like a to help digestion? Help with digestion.
Yes. So before that, finish it. This one, so you can have the rasam with the rice.
And now rasam. End with savory. And this will help with all the food that we've had.
Then with the rasam.
But do I wash my hands first?
No, just like it.
Just lick it? Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna go for it. Worth it. Yum. And we end our sadhya.
Yes. After this sadhya, so you have to fold to this side.
Fold to this side.
It means it's coming again. वैसे एक feel होता है. So खाना आपको फिर से मिलेगा. So that this side.
This is State and a Plate, guys, Kerala, and I had the best time because it's where I come from, and I learned so many new things. मुझे खुद को ही नहीं पता था कि इतने सारी detail जो हम सीखे हमने. And the food that you cook is amazing.
Thank you.
Very authentic, like close to home. Love it.
Thank you so much.
Can you teach like one line that everybody should know if they are ever coming to Kerala?
So you can food culture.
Food culture. See, we're ending with food again, guys. Food culture.
കഴിച്ചോ
Food കഴിക്കാൻ വായോ?
കഴിക്കാൻ വായോ?
പോവാ ഇനി. Bye bye.
Bye.
പിന്നെ കാണാം. वापस मिलेंगे.
So you are teaching me. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു. ബൈ.
Bye.